Here I've got ALCATEL A3 and let me show you how to activate and use recovery mode on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key, hold it for a while and then click on power off. Now wait a couple of seconds until it's off and then tap on power key and volume up key. Hold both of them all together until you see Alcatel's logo. And now, as you can see here in Android recovery mode, at first you can select the language, so you can navigate here by using volume up and volume down keys and then select, for example, language by tapping on power key. So just let me do it. Let's go to English. And now we are in Android recovery mode with all the available options. So as you can see, we can reboot system now, we can reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, so we can perform a factory reset here, wipe cache partition, backup user data, restore user data, mount system, view recovery logs, power off obviously, and enable ADB. So that is all. You can perform action that you would like from this mode, and I would like to reboot system now, so let me tap on power key to do it. And that's all. As you can see now, we are back in the normal mode. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.